Josh Kushner and Bob Iger set to buy Lakers for $12.5 billion. Huge NBA takeover. Fire. The Los Angeles Lakers are reportedly set for another historic ownership change, with Josh Kushner and Bob Iger emerging as the buyers in a massive $12.5 billion deal, according to multiple reports. If completed, the transaction would establish a new record for the value of a professional sports franchise. Kushner and Iger had previously been connected to efforts surrounding a possible NBA expansion team in Las Vegas. However, their plans reportedly shifted dramatically when they decided to pursue one of basketball's most valuable and recognizable franchises, the Los Angeles Lakers. The proposed agreement would see the pair purchase the Lakers from Mark Walter, who became the team's controlling owner after acquiring a majority interest from the Buss family last year. Walter's original deal valued the franchise at roughly $10 billion, which itself represented a record-setting figure at the time. In a joint statement, Kushner and Iger expressed their excitement about taking responsibility for a franchise with such a powerful history. They praised Jerry and Jeannie Buss for their leadership and said their goal would be to continue building on the organization's legacy while competing for championships and strengthening the connection between the team, its supporters, and Los Angeles. Walter also reflected on his time as Lakers owner, describing it as one of the most meaningful experiences of his career. He highlighted the fans, the city, and the Lakers community, while expressing appreciation toward the Buss family, players, and employees. Walter said he remains confident that the organization has a bright future ahead. The reported transaction is not yet final. The NBA's Board of Governors must approve the proposed ownership change before the deal can officially move forward. The league's next scheduled meeting is expected to take place in New York next month, meaning the approval process could continue for several weeks. Walter's sports portfolio extends well beyond the Lakers. Through TWG Global, he has interests connected to several major sports organizations, including the Los Angeles Dodgers, Los Angeles Sparks, Chelsea, and the Professional Women's Hockey League. His motorsports holdings also include multiple racing operations, including Cadillac's Formula One project. Sources indicate that Walter is selling his Lakers interest as part of this specific transaction, rather than conducting a broader sale of his other sports investments. The potential Lakers deal therefore represents a major change for the franchise while leaving his wider sports portfolio largely intact. Walter has also faced scrutiny over financial matters. Federal authorities are reportedly examining allegations involving other companies connected to his business empire. According to reports, investigators are reviewing whether certain insurance businesses properly disclosed relationships involving private credit investments and other ventures linked to Walter. The Securities and Exchange Commission is reportedly conducting a separate examination related to the same broader financial questions. The investigations concern companies other than the Lakers organization and remain separate from the proposed ownership transaction. Josh Kushner, 41, is known for founding Thrive Capital, a major venture capital firm. He is also associated with Oscar Health and has established a significant presence in the investment world. His family connection to Jared Kushner, President Donald Trump's son-in-law, has also made him a prominent figure in American business circles. Kushner already has experience as an NBA investor. He owns a minority position in the Miami Heat and previously held a minority interest in the Memphis Grizzlies. Because NBA ownership rules limit certain cross-team interests, he would reportedly need to dispose of his Heat stake before completing the Lakers transaction. Bob Iger, 75, is one of the most recognizable executives in the entertainment industry. After serving multiple terms as Disney's chief executive, he was succeeded this year by Josh D'Amaro. Iger has also expanded his involvement in professional sports, becoming a controlling owner of NWSL club Angel City FC alongside his wife, Willow Bay, in 2024. The potential $12.5 billion Lakers sale could therefore mark another extraordinary chapter in the franchise's long history. If NBA owners approve the agreement, Kushner and Iger would take control of one of the world's most famous basketball brands at a valuation that would set a remarkable new benchmark for the sports industry.